Earn money with ChatGPT. Make money online. Hey there, hustlers! Ready to turn your ChatGPT game into a money-making powerhouse? If the traditional methods haven't filled your pockets, don't worry. Today on Profitability Plus, we're unveiling a revolutionary approach that helped me rake in over $375 a day using ChatGPT and a high-traffic website. Welcome back to Profitability Plus, the go-to spot for no-nonsense, part-and strategies to boost your bank account. We skip the corporate jargon and dive straight into practical techniques to make that moolah. In this tutorial, we're introducing a completely fresh approach to cash in with ChatGPT. Let's break it down step by step. Wondering why you haven't struck gold with ChatGPT yet? Well, it's likely because you've been stuck in the rut of the same old methods. But fear not, I'm about to spill the beans on how I pulled in over $375 in a single day using ChatGPT and a website that draws a whopping 1.9 billion monthly visitors. The twist? Most of these visitors hail from top-tier countries. Intrigued? Well, hold on tight because we're about to embark on a fresh, game-changing approach. Let's kick things off by heading over to ChatGPT. Ask about the top 5 most profitable niches, and you'll quickly learn that finance, investing, and online business are the cream of the crop. Our chosen website caters to an audience keen on cryptocurrency, business, personal finance, stock, and investing. That's why the online business niche is our golden ticket for today's video. Now, let's leverage ChatGPT's power to draft a compelling ebook on the best ways to make money online. But here's the twist, we're not selling these ebooks. Instead, we're giving them away for free and cashing in on it. Let ChatGPT help craft the title for our book, and once that's set, let it dive into describing each topic in the table of contents with 1,000 words per section. It's all about generating valuable content. Once the book content is ready, head over to canva.com to craft an appealing cover for your ebook. Keep it simple, then proceed to create the book pages. Once your ebook is looking sharp, step into the affiliate marketing arena on warriorplus.com. Here, it's all about choosing the right offer. Look for high conversion rates, low refund rates, and a solid plus score. For today's demonstration, I've picked Profit Link with an 18% conversion rate and a 2% refund rate. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty of the offer. Assess the upsells, commissions, and potential earnings. Profit Link promises $848 on the first sale with additional earnings on upsells. You don't need to lift a finger. Just share the ebook we've created for free with the website's audience, and you're looking at over $374 in your pocket every single day. Once you've picked your offer, it's time to request approval for your affiliate link. Craft a brief message introducing yourself and your promotional plan. Once approved, grab that affiliate link and head back to your Canva ebook. On the second page, create a call to action, enticing readers to earn $1,000 a day with AI. Click here, paste your affiliate offer link, change the text color to green for visibility, and voila! You've got a compelling call to action. Copy this call to action box and strategically paste it on other pages, ensuring it catches the reader's eyes. Finally, download your ebook in PDF format and upload it to your preferred cloud storage. Now, it's time to spread the word. Head over to reddit.com, create an account, and build up your karma. Join relevant communities, post about your free ebook, and watch the clicks roll in, ensuring your post adheres to community rules and regulations. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to make over $375 a day with ChatGPT. It's all about innovation, simplicity, and strategic promotion. Now, go out there and turn those creative ideas into cold, hard cash. Rev up your business processes with ChatGPT. Explore 5 game-changing ways to boost efficiency and transform your business. Number 1. Customer service and support. Conquer customer service challenges by integrating ChatGPT into your support platform. This AI chatbot delivers multilingual support for diverse customer bases, timely, accurate responses slashing wait times, personalized assistance tailored to your individual needs. Implementing ChatGPT enhances your customer service strategy, elevating overall experience, satisfaction, and loyalty. Number 2. Social Media Management. Combat the time sink of managing social media with ChatGPT. Craft engaging social media content effortlessly. Schedule and post updates across channels. Moderate and respond to comments seamlessly. Maintain a vibrant online presence, keeping your audience engaged and connected. Number 3. Email Management. Optimize your email game using ChatGPT's language model. Automate email filtering and prioritization. Draft and edit professional correspondence with ease. Handle customer queries with AI-generated replies. The result? Streamlined inboxes and efficient communication, boosting connections with customers and partners. Number 4. Product Descriptions. Revamp your product listings with ChatGPT. Generate creative, accurate product descriptions. Address customer queries proactively. And craft SEO-friendly, well-structured content. Entice potential buyers and witness a spike in overall conversions. Number 5. Content Creation. Unleash ChatGPT's prowess in content creation. Draft captivating blog articles and web page content effortlessly. Foster idea generation and brainstorming. Provide translations for multilingual content. Create high-quality, engaging content tailored to your target audience. Business Applications. ChatGPT seamlessly integrates into various business contexts. Its versatility allows for tailored applications across diverse industries. And here's how ChatGPT can power up your market research efforts. Number 1. Competitor Analysis. Uncover your rival's strengths and weaknesses effortlessly. ChatGPT dives into publicly available data to provide insights into your competitors' market strategies. By prompting conversations related to their products, you'll gain a clearer picture. Request info about your competitors' customer base, target audience, and product offerings. Compare your business to competitors, focusing on products, pricing, and marketing strategies. Seek ideas to improve your product or services and stand out in the market. Number 2. Demographic Insights. Nail down your target market's demographics with ChatGPT's assistance. Develop buyer personas and unearth crucial demographic insights by feeding relevant prompts. Utilize data from your CRM system to create specific customer profiles. Seek insights into different customer segments' needs, wants, and expectations. Identify patterns and trends in customer behavior to inform your business strategy. Number 3. Product Feedback. Customer feedback is gold. Let ChatGPT help you understand how your audience perceives your products and spot areas for improvement. Craft prompts asking specific questions about satisfaction levels, liked features, and areas for improvement. Analyze customer conversations to identify common sentiments or trends. Use insights gained to prioritize improvements and create features addressing customer needs. ChatGPT streamlines your market research, offering valuable insights, generating personalized content, and deepening your understanding of your target audience. Leverage these insights to cater to your customers effectively, outshine competitors, and make informed decisions for your business. Now, before we move forward, make sure you're subscribed to Profitability Plus. We've got more lucrative insights, strategies, and money-making tips coming your way. Hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on the financial wisdom we're serving up. And there you have it, a comprehensive, Spartan strategy to help you earn over $375 a day with ChatGPT. Don't overthink it. Follow these steps and you're on your way to some serious cash. We're keeping it simple, straightforward, and all about the profits here at Profitability Plus. Stay tuned for more game-changing insights. Until next time, Keep those pockets deep and your ambitions high.